Oh, and remember he said that nobody should be credited
Yeah. So you're revising your statement.
because I was no, he was not crediting himself. When I made that statement, I was crediting him for that. But anyway, with respect to that, let me issue this statement. The recent remarks of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte disowning credit for the successful return of the Balangiga bells to the country after more than a century outside of Philippine soil highlights the style of the chief executive action-oriented and no-frill public service marked by humility. The President's statement shows his sincerity in upholding sovereignty through the use of diplomacy as a leverage to achieve what the country rightly and truly deserves. It bears stressing that all of PRRD's actions are based on the constitutional address to him to serve and to protect the people. Nothing more, nothing less. He gives credit to all Filipinos under this administration, and it is our desire as a community which motivate him performs his best. While we act in accordance with the President's actions, he acts pursuant to his. And to, of course, the public's always interest and welfare.
With that,
But the fact remains is that many have tried, and it was the President's call that triggered the series of meetings that finally resulted into the coming home of the Balangiga bells. But this is not to say that the attempts were all futile or futile. To us, it was just like a ladder. It was steps that finally reach the pedestal.